In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications from Telegram app permanently. So if you're getting distracted from Telegram app, then all you need to do is to go to settings and then scroll down and look for the option called apps. And from here, choose the option called manage apps. And then this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from the list, go ahead and look for Telegram app. And as you can see, mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Now, if you look under notification, you can see the notifications have been turned to yes. And what you need to do is to toggle this to turn them to off. And now when you turn off, you will never receive again notifications from Telegram. So that's how you stop Telegram notifications permanently. So anytime you want to get any message or you want to read the messages on Telegram, you'll have to go to Telegram and then read the messages from there. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.